everybody, I'm Sim and welcome back to toynerdtv. Ding! Today I'm so excited to show my Shopkins Style Me wardrobe. And it's part of the Fashion Spree collection. Yay! Woo! This is for ages 5 and up. It comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins. This one is Lolly Loafer and this one is Shirley Shirt. There's 4 mini Shopkins. I like the set because I like Shopkins and I like fashion. And it's really fun because you can tidy everything in there, and I'll put all my fashion Shopkins inside of there. And plus you can carry it around anywhere you like. So that's a good thing. Let's get opening. And I really like Shopkins a lot. So exciting. I love Shopkins so much. It's just so fun playing with it. I like the colour pink, and plus the Shopkins colour is pink, and I like yellow, which the Shopkins colour is yellow, and I like purple, which the Shopkins colour is purple. Phew! I finished unwrapping it. Woo! I'm so excited to play with it. This is Shirley's shirt. Perhaps I could wear her tomorrow. This is Lolly Loafer. She's really cute. Here are the 4 mini shoes, and they're like boots or socks. They're so smiley and so cute. And here's a chair. I'm going to sew on it later on if I get some makeup done in that shop. And here is the place where you put all your things. And these 3 are the hangers where I can put all my clothes, like this one. See? Now I'm going to put everything in it. So this is a place where you can put all your makeup on, beauty, lipstick, and this is where you can put your shoes. This is where you can hang this, and by the way, this looks like it's on a swing on a hot summer's day. Here's the 4 mini ones. They're really cute, by the way. See? Cutie pot. And then here's the pull-out things. You can put more shoes in it. And then here I could put all my accessories in there. And here's like just normal baskets. You can put your washing in there. You can put other accessories, other shoes. And then here's the chair. Here's the table, here's a mirror, and the cool thing about the table is you can do that. You can put it like that, or like that if you want to close it, or like this if you want to use it. And then there's like this yellow turner at the back there, and then when you spin it, it spins this. The shoe rack. And there's one shoe inside, which you know who it is, over here. So now I'm off to play with it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. See you next time. Bye.